Hot foods must be kept at a minimum of 60 degrees Celsius. This means that the foods, as well as the warmer or display, needs to be above 70 degrees Celsius in order to achieve this. The food must be hot and the display must be preheated. It is impossible to achieve the above requirement without this. Cold foods must be displayed at 4 degrees Celsius for high risk and 7 degrees for fruits and juices. Most kitchens fail this requirement, and the best way is to display on a refrigerated unit with crushed ice, where the food bowls and platters are dug into the ice, allowing a larger surface area to be cooled. It is impossible for elevated foods to keep cold temperatures. Alternatively, well-insulated containers and platters are needed, or very thin platters that minimize the distance between a cold top and the food. Hot and cold food must be measured for their temperature at least 1 hour into service with a sanitized digital probe thermometer. If the foods are not within the required range, they must be either taken back into the kitchen and reheated or changed out for pre-chilled cold foods. At least 2 to 3 batches of cold foods must be kept for backup in a fridge. Cold foods should be rotated on a 30-minute cycle in order to minimize elevated temperatures. The maximum risk range is 10 degrees Celsius. Smaller portions should be used when quiet, and one should never top up on the buffet but rather rotate and top up for the next round. All foods stored in a fridge that are not cooling down or have been in the fridge for less than 30 minutes must be below 15 degrees Celsius. The longer foods are kept at this temperature, the quicker they will expire. It will take 2 to 3 hours for bacteria to multiply at these temperatures, meaning 1,000 to 100,000 in 3 hours to a billion in 6 hours. That means that food starts to expire when bacterial growth numbers reach millions. So foods in these warm fridges will expire overnight or even during the day.